Hey there, welcome to Learn Punjabi through English lesson series by ifactner.com. In lesson number 6, we are going to learn how do we express ourselves when we are enthusiastic. Let's do it in Punjabi. Enthusiastic is called Joshila. Joshila. Joshila for a male, and for female we say Joshili. Joshili. There is an I in the end instead of A. Enthusiastic, Joshila or Joshili. Let's start our lesson number 6. I am very enthusiastic about this opportunity. मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डा जोशीला हाँ. For a male person, and for female we would say मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डी जोशीली हाँ. For male, मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डा जोशीला हाँ. For female, मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डी जोशीली हाँ. I am very enthusiastic about this opportunity. मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डा जोशीला हाँ. और for female, मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डी जोशीली हाँ. मैं means I, इस means this, मौका is opportunity, दे वास्ते for. Vadda or Vadi means very. Joshila or Joshili is enthusiastic. हाँ means am. मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डा जोशीला हाँ. He is enthusiastic about his education. ओ मुंडा, that boy. पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीला है. ओ मुंडा, that boy, पढ़ाई means education, दे वास्ते for जोशीला है enthusiastic. ओ मुंडा, that boy, पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीला है. ओ मुंडा. And if it was she is enthusiastic about her education, then we would say ओ कुड़ी. पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीली है. ओ मुंडा पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीला है. ओ कुड़ी पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीली है. He is enthusiastic about his education. ओ मुंडा पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीला है. She is enthusiastic about her education. ओ कुड़ी पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीली है. I am an enthusiastic individual. मैं जोशीला हाँ. मैं जोशीला हाँ. मैं जोशीला हाँ. I am enthusiastic. मैं जोशीला हाँ. And if we would like to literally translate I am an enthusiastic individual, then we say मैं जोशीला बंदा हाँ. Banda for a male, and for female we would say मैं जोशीली बंदी हाँ. You see जोशीला जोशीली, बंदा बंदी, वड्डा वड्डी. So we differentiate between female and male in this way. I am an enthusiastic individual. मैं जोशीला हाँ. For female we would say मैं जोशीली हाँ. His brother is very enthusiastic about cricket. उसदा भरा, you can say भाई or भरा, they both are used and they both are correct. उसदा भाई क्रिकेट दे वास्ते वड्डा जोशीला है. उसदा भाई, उसदा his pai, brother, and cricket de vaste for cricket vadda means very, joshila hai is enthusiastic. Usda pai cricket de vaste vadda joshila hai. You see that the verb comes in the end in every sentence in Punjabi. His brother is very enthusiastic about cricket. Usda pai cricket de vaste vadda joshila hai. In the Punjabi speaking regions of both India and Pakistan, cricket is very popular. Sheila is enthusiastic about shopping. शीला शॉपिंग दे वास्ते जोशीली है और ए is are both correct. शीला शॉपिंग दे वास्ते जोशीली है. शीला शॉपिंग दे वास्ते जोशीली है. Sheila is enthusiastic about shopping. शीला शॉपिंग दे वास्ते जोशीली है. Guys and girls, now let's start our practice session. I will speak in English and you will speak in Punjabi in a loud and clear voice. Let's start. Enthusiastic. Yes, Joshila for male and for female Joshili. I am very enthusiastic about this opportunity. Very good. मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डा जोशीला हाँ. For male and for female we will say मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डी जोशीली हाँ. Okay, he is enthusiastic about his education. Nice. ओह मुंडा पढ़ाई और पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीला है. And if I say she is enthusiastic about her education, then you would say ओह कुड़ी पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीली है. I am an enthusiastic individual. मैं जोशीला हाँ. For a male and for female we will say मैं जोशीली हाँ. Okay, now you do it. I am an enthusiastic individual. Very good. His brother is very enthusiastic about cricket. Yes. Very good. उसदा भाई cricket दे वास्ते वड्डा जोशीला है. And if it was her sister is very enthusiastic about cricket, then we will say us di pan. Sister is pan. Pan. Us di pan cricket de vaste vaddi joshili hai. Although girls don't play cricket in the subcontinent. Sheila is enthusiastic about shopping. Very good. शीला शॉपिंग दे वास्ते जोशीली है. Guys and girls, now I will speak only in Punjabi and you will try to make the sense of those sentences. जोशीला और जोशीली. मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डा जोशीला हाँ. और मैं इस मौके दे वास्ते वड्डी जोशीली हाँ. ओ मुंडा पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीला है. ओ कुड़ी पढ़ाई दे वास्ते जोशीली है. मैं जोशीला हाँ. मैं जोशीली हाँ. उस दा भाई क्रिकेट दे वास्ते ਵੱਡਾ ਜੋਸ਼ੀਲਾ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਦੀ ਭੈਣ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਵੱਡੀ ਜੋਸ਼ੀਲੀ ਹੈ। शीला शॉपिंग ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜੋਸ਼ੀਲੀ ਹੈ और शीला शॉपिंग ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜੋਸ਼ੀਲੀ ਹੈ। Both are correct. Guys and girls, thank you very much for joining me for lesson number 6 of Learn Punjabi through English lesson series by ifactioner.com. If you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Please visit ifactioner.com to download the presentation and do some more exercises related to this lesson. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye.